Hello, everyone. This is my introduction for 859. And, starting out, just a little bit about me. I'm originally from Cherokee, Iowa, which, if you're ever looking at a map or anything like that, it is in the northwest corner. I actually grew up on a farm about an hour from South Dakota, Minnesota, and Nebraska. Made my way to Kansas I went to a junior college, play football, played at Iowa Western, and then made my way to Fort Hays after that. Played football for Fort Hays up until 2013, my fifth year. I got to be the old guy for a while. Um, since there, I've gone to Emporia High. I'm here in Emporia. I teach tech ed at the high school. I also coach football and coach track. Next year will be my seventh year teaching and my sixth year coaching. Once I graduated in 2013 from Fort Hays the first time, I went and did the alternative certification program, finished up those required courses, and now I'm actually finishing the rest of it for the full on master's. Um, which brings me to my professional career. So, like I said, I'm teaching here in Emporia, going into my seventh year. Um, some of my short term goals, are just to continue doing what I'm doing, teaching, coaching, get better at what I've been doing all the time, and also those kind of fit into my short term goals or long term goals, excuse me, as well. I guess another short term would be to finish my master's, things like that, potentially start an admin degree. But we'll see where this leads us. One thing I really hope to gain from this class is just a little more knowledge developing curriculum. It's something that I haven't done a lot, and I'd like to in the future. Have a good one.